Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're putting together some chicken cordon bleu. I've never been to France. I've been all around the world, but I've never been to a fancy country like that. But this is the easiest recipe for chicken cordon bleu that you've ever seen. So I recommend you giving it a try. It's a great meal that you can serve your family without being some master chef from France. So without any further ado, let's get this thing going and go to the kitchen. Okay, we're going to use an old Chinese technique called velvet chicken. Now this is French cooking, but I'm going to use something that I learned a long time ago, how to make chicken tender. We're going to take some egg whites. We're going to whip these little bad boys up. Get them nice and frothy. Put them into this pan, and then we're going to take some cornstarch, maybe about a quarter cup, something like that. Boom, all went in there, made a little mess. Now we're going to infuse the cornstarch and the egg whites into a mixture for our marinade. Take our chicken, kind of mix all this up so that it's getting the velveting process started. Put that last piece in there. Oh yeah, that little guy. Don't worry about that little guy. He's gonna get in there too. Okay, so now that we got those all there, oh my God, what are we gonna do now? No, that's garlic powder. We're going to put some of that in there. But you touch the chicken. Now you just, no. Get those, this can take a minute. Got to get these Clorox wipes off. I got to clean my hands. Can't be touching chicken and then touching spices. That's not healthy. So we're going to wipe our hands down before we go any further. Made a mistake there, folks. It happens. A little salt. Maybe a teaspoon, and cayenne pepper. Frenchman probably gonna go crazy, but I like a little zing, a little tang to my food. Doll it up with a little bit of black pepper, about, I don't know, half tablespoon, and just a little more salt. Just think it needs salt, and we'll put this in the ice box for about a half an hour and let this get velvet. Now, we're going to take our stove, if I can figure this out, and put it on broil, high. Now that we got our chicken out, it's been all velvetized, we're going to smash this chicken down with this mallet, flatten it out a little bit. There's no fancy rolling in this recipe. It's simple. You can probably skip this step. Just bang that chicken out, baby. Come on, keep banging it. Yeah, you're going to flatten that out. It's all tenderized now. It's going to be good, folks. Believe me. Oh, yeah. Take the plastic off. And what's next? Oh, gotta make some kind of breading for this Cordon Bleu recipe. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to whip this one egg up. Yellow and white. Oh, it's gonna be right. And what we'll do is we'll take our little pan here, our little dish, and we're gonna take just some regular all-purpose flour. Oh my God, now we got problems. Okay, now we're gonna wash our chicken in the beat up eggs. Now I'm getting confused here. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, gotta wash my hands again for some reason. I don't know what, I'm kind of like a clean freak. At any rate, so we're gonna get this chicken into the egg batter, and then we're gonna take some all general flour and bread this up. Oh God, what am I doing? Freaking out. Just don't want to touch anything. I guess I don't want to make anybody sick making something like this. Washing these hands again. Probably should have edited that out, but at any rate, some of these people watch this stuff and they freak out when you touch stuff. So we got the chicken, we're breading it out, taking another piece out, putting the flouring onto the chicken, and again, that little guy there is my favorite little guy. He's breaded up too. Okay, now that we've got everything all breaded up, we're going to just take some regular canola oil. You can use any kind of oil you want, because when I put this thing into that oven on broil, I'm going to hit it up with some more garlic salt, a little bit more cayenne. Oh my God, these French guys are going to go nuts. What's this guy doing? He's out of his mind. He has no clue. Garlic butter. Gotta have that garlic butter, man. Gotta have that flavor. That deep flavor. Oh, this is going to be good. And again, we're going to hit it with a little bit more salt. I'm not a big salt freak. There's really not that much salt in there. But now that we got this done, we're going to take it back over to our oven that we set at high broil. And then we're going to kind of like fry this chicken on broil. Let's get this going for about 15 minutes. While that's going on, we're going to take a piece of ham. And I bought this ham. The guy says, "What are you going to do with that? Make the biggest ham sandwich in the world?" I said, "No, I'm making Cordon Bleu." He said, "Cordon Bleu, that sounds fancy." Now, this isn't all that fancy. This is a pretty simple dish. So I cut up the Swiss cheese, got the ham cut up. Now we've got our chicken that's looking pretty darn good. It's been broiled up, fried up right in the oven. We're putting the ham on there. Put that last slice of good Virginia ham. And the next step is, this is fancy, Dijon mustard. Absolutely. If you're going to do Cordon Bleu, it's got to have the mustard. I recommend Dijon. And then we put the cheese on. Swiss cheese. Oh yeah, Swiss cheese. This is a cheesy dish. But oh so good, believe me. When we get around to tasting this thing, we're going to find out what's what and who's who. So at this point, I'm going to take this and put... Alright folks, we're at the testing table. We've got this easiest Cordon Bleu that you've ever seen. It's got the cheese, the ham, the velvet chicken. Oh my God, just gonna have to take a little bite of this. It's cheesy, it's tender, and I think it's gonna be delicious, but we're gonna find out. Done this before, not my first rodeo, you see. Oh, this is too easy and too delicious. I really think you should punch that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm back and I'm putting up content. This is a delicious meal and I think it's something you should give a try. So without any further ado, I will close this video out by saying thanks for watching, and as always, bon appetit.